everyone, welcome back to Cellular Train. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 17th to the 21st of November 2025 on Monday. Zoleka and Lazarus step into the spotlight at the African Global Innovation Summit, but just as they celebrate their Trump, a storm begins to brew. Not everyone is clapping for their success, and danger lurks in the applause on Tuesday. A revelation at the summit rocks the entire room. Lazarus and Zoleka crumbles to contain the fallout as Alice shifts in the shadow. And Lillian's new partnership with Sydney may cost her more than she knows on Wednesday. The dust settles after the summit, but the damage runs deep. Zoleka faces public humiliation while Lazarus fights to regain control. Kawe questions whether loyalty is worth the pain on Thursday. Lazarus and Zoleka's unity begins to crack under pressure. Hlati's anger spirals into something dangerous, and when hearts collide, one wrong word changes everything on Friday. A heated confrontation pushes Hlati to do the unthinkable. Zoleka and Lazarus are blindsided by betrayal, and Kawe's secret crush finally comes to light, but not the way she hoped. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.